All right, we're here at the SEMA Show at the Oracle Lighting booth. And as you may or may not know, 25 years ago when Oracle Lighting was founded, the first product that they made was for a Fox Body Mustang. Well, we're back here today with the Fox Body Mustang once again. So as you can see here, we've got our Fox Body taillights. When the lights are off, they look almost factory. We don't want to disrupt the original styling of the Fox Body because Ford actually got that perfect. On the factory running lights, you just got one bulb right here. With the Oracle running lights, you've got an entire panel of LEDs that wraps all the way around, giving this really modernized look. Not only is it more visible, it actually looks a whole lot better than the factory lights as well. Moving on to the brake lights, we took the reflector that doesn't even normally have a light in it and turned that into an additional brake light. So not only does your factory brake light get brighter, the lower light gets brighter as well. And here's a real good shot. The reverse lights. So instead of there being a single incandescent bulb in there as your reverse lights, you get this entire panel illuminated with high quality pixel dense LEDs. Now for the turn signals, we've got a sequential turn signal feature built in here with amber LEDs up at the top portion. So each one of these LEDs is individually addressable. So instead of being a blocky sequential transition, this is fluid and even all the way across. It's an awesome look. And when you put your hazards on, of course, the whole thing goes together. So we're super excited to release these for the Mustang. This is a replacement circuit board. So what you would do is basically remove the lens from the factory taillights. They're held on butyl, super easy. Drop the boards in. All the connectors are 100% plug and play. So you basically just run it out the back and plug it in just like you would with your normal bulb. No additional wiring, no drivers, no splicing, no dicing. Easy install, super easy for anybody with basic tools to achieve this entire installation. So this is specifically for the LX from 1987 and 1993. We'll have a GT kit and some other awesome LED taillight options, including our 6C muscle cars from Mopar, Ford, and other manufacturers. But be on the lookout. We're going to be rolling out a lot of awesome options in the very near future. OracleLights.com.